Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Najwa. So today I'll be unboxing these two products which is from Ikea. It's actually for baking. Okay, little backstory. Me and my sister, we have a baking business. We started off like way back when lah, in 2006. So we did cupcakes, cake and some other baked goods. So now we are trying to kickstart the business again. So it'd be great if you can go follow our Instagram account, and you know, when we are ready to kickstart the business again, then you'll be notified through the Instagram. So let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the Ikea SMAKSAM cake decorating tools. So it has a scraper, piping bag with piping tips, and also a cake leveler. So the other one is LÄTTBAKAD. This is a circular, it's just a normal circular cookie cutter. It has five sizes. Okay, so inside it's all packed nicely. So this is the cake scraper. So if you can see this cake scraper, it has 4 sides. So this is the flat side. The flat side is for you to actually clean up the cake, and this side, the 3 sides are the design side, whereby you can actually make lines or curves for the side of your cakes to make it like more nicer lah, ada design lah cake tu. Okay, so this is the piping bag. It comes with 5 piping tips. I think there's like a normal star tip. This one is like a pointy tip. This one is a this is like if you are someone who into buttercream piping, this looks like the standard petal tip. This one is also like a flower tip or something. I don't know. Sorry, there's 6 tips actually. There's another 1 tip here and also a coupler, so it's easy for you to change it. So this is how the bag looks like. This is a reusable bag. So usually when I bake and I do icing, I don't really like to use reusable because I really hate cleaning it. But it's actually good if you use reusable, because if you use the disposable ones, those are plastic, so it's like not so good for the environment. So these are the 5 tips. Oh sorry, there's actually 6 tips. Yeah, so a lot. So again, you can actually, you know, interchange tips for your piping. Okay, the other 2 that given is this one. I don't know whether you can see it, but this is actually a cake leveler. So usually when you bake cakes, when the cake comes out from the oven, sometimes the top is not flat, it's not level. So you use this kind of tool to actually cut the cake and make it like flat lah, straight lah kan. So for the cake leveler, as you can see here in my clip, I'm currently actually cutting the cake using the cake leveler, and you can see how nice and smooth the cake becomes. And this makes it easy for you to actually stack the cake and put the icing in the middle of the cakes, to layer the cakes. So this is very handy. And then next, you can see I'm testing out all the tips. So all the tips have different styles, so it really depends. You can do a lot of things with these 5 tips. You can do a lot of design that you like. If you're not sure, you can search online. You can see how you know, on YouTube, on Pinterest, how people actually use this tip. But this is how I use it. You can see all 6 tips in action. Next is the LÄTTBAKAD cookie cutter. So there's actually 5 sizes, so this makes it easy if you want to do any dough cutting, or actually you can use it. For me, if you see in my clip, I use the biggest one. I think it's about like 6-inch size. I use the biggest one to actually cut the cake. I wanted to make a smaller cake. I wanted to stack a smaller cake, so I used the biggest size to actually cut the cake and then stack the cake onto on top of each other. So as you know, this kind of cutter is actually quite versatile. It's not just for, it's advertised as a cookie cutter, but you actually can use it for to cut your cakes. I mean, to make designs and other designs as well. That is it for my unboxing of the 2 baking tools from Ikea. Quite reasonably priced, so I think it's really good if you are beginners. You want to try out, test out your skill to actually ice cakes and, you know, decorate cakes. But it is also good for someone who bakes most of the time, because it's good to have this extra tools at home, and it's not really expensive. For the SMAKSAM, it's actually only 19.90, and for the cutter, I think it's about 12 ringgit. I'm not sure. I'll put the link of I'll put all the links to the products down in the description box. And yeah, so that's it. I really like all the tools. I find that the tools are useful for me when I bake and when I decorate cakes. So that's it for this unboxing. I hope you find this video useful. I did my best to actually show every single tools, how to use it. So basically, it's not that hard. If you're a beginner, I think it should be no problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. See you in my next one. Bye.